So my cat's old scratcher was basically a confetti machine. Every time he scratched it, it looked like a tiny cardboard explosion. I'm not kidding. So I switched to this one and suddenly no mess. It's made from plant fiber instead of cardboard, so it doesn't shred all over the place, which means I'm not cleaning up after my cat 24/7. It's safer for them too. No sharp, flaky pieces coming off while they're using it. And the shape, Stevie literally sits in it like it's his own little bowl bed. Scratch plus nap equals multitasking for him. So if your cat scratcher's making a mess like mine was, you need this. I'll link it below.